We are now watching this location, this Vinayakar. Pujas were performed on a daily basis here, and I am extremely very happy to share this with you. You know that Maharashtra is quite popular for Vinayak Chaturthi and particularly Mumbai. I am really very happy to share. Delighted to have the kind of workmanship what we are looking at it here is simply amazing, nothing but amazing, and I am very lucky and fortunate to have this and share this with all of you in our YouTube channel. It's a very, 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 very fantastic creation and workmanship that we are looking at it here, and I wish to share this with all of you so that you can show it to your children in the house and also to the respective people, those who wanted to witness in this place. It's so beautiful that I am really excited to see at this point in time on this. See the wonderful kind of draping that they have done in the place. Fantastic. Another beautiful one, which it is being shown here. Can you just please introduce yourself to my friends, please? Your name, your location, where are you, and how long you have been here?
So my name is Rohan Dongre. I have been a resident of this locality since my birth. I am 28 years of age, and this is the 75th year of us celebrating the Ganesh Utsav, as everyone celebrates is in Mumbai.
What is the locality name, please?
So the locality name is Shri Krishna Nagar, and it is one of the oldest locality here.
Okay.
We are one of the first settlers in the region, Borivali.
Acha. This area is called Borivali. Borivali East or West?
Borivali East. This is Borivali East.
East.
Yes.
Oh, that's fantastic. What are the working time of this temple, sir?
So this is not a temple. This is just a temporary arrangement.
Okay.
In Mumbai, we all celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi.
Okay.
We welcome the Lord Ganesha every year on Ganesh Chaturthi.
Okay.
And it is a 10-day festival.
Okay.
And it is due to end tomorrow.
Oh.
So there will be, you will see a lot of processions on the road tomorrow. So, yes.
Which means you will be taking the idol here from here to Emotion.
Yes.
Huh?
And our idol which is made, it is a completely eco-friendly idol. It is made out of soil.
Made out of?
Soil.
Soil.
Yes.
Okay.
So what we are trying to achieve is that we are trying to reduce the wastage as much as possible. And we have also created artificial pond where we will submerge our
So
idol.
during these 10 days, what are the timing that you maintain here?
So this
Morning fixed hours and evening fixed hours?
is open 24/7 for 24/7.
For 10 days. Acha. Oh, it took a total
Everyone is welcome.
collective efforts of the residents of this locality
yes.
and business people.
No single person can pull off something like this. It requires public effort.
Fantastic. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Nice meeting you. All the best. We wish you all the best. That your services continue for future generations also.
I hope you like the festival.
Fantastic. Only one word, fantastic, because in South we don't get the opportunity to see this way. So I have come here to participate in my brother's grandson's first birthday, which is tomorrow.
Oh,
Opposite to Krishna Hospital, in that Mr. Tengodkar family. So, in that family, I just come.
Tengodkar family.
Yeah, Mr. Prasanna's child. So, Mr. Tengodkar family.
How you are related to them?
My brother's daughter is the daughter-in-law of Mr. Tengodkar, that's it. Okay, they are in.
They are also part of this.
Yeah, they only brought me here.
Yes,
Yeah.
we know them.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
No
Very kind of you.